The Ripple and Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit is approaching to the main event of Hinman's deposition. This event indicates whether the lawsuit is going to end very soon or something else might come up. This event by the side of the relisting factor will result in the price burst of XRP, most likely any moment from now on. We just have to hold on a little bit more. Before we dive deeper into this video, please subscribe and like the video so we can spread the truth and more people to know the information about XRP. If you are a holder or investor, you know that if more people invest, the price will go up. That is why you should not wait. Right now, hit the like button, the bell icon, so the YouTube algorithm can do the rest. In today's video we are going to pay attention to the price surge and burst coming up for XRP. We will also talk about the victory Ripple is going to see and witness if they perform their best in the deposition. You will find out and learn about the elements and factors that will lead to a price surge in the upcoming cyber attack, and its solution will also be analyzed and examined at the end. So, with that in mind, let us start our video. Ripple cryptocurrency has had a very rough and bumpy month. It ended last month at $1 per XRP crypto token but was at 62 cents as of July 15th. That is actually a 38.7% drop in 1 month only. In point of fact, the cryptocurrency is actually well off its peak price of $1.83 on April 13th. In whatever way, so far this year, it is still up 161% year-to-date from 23.744 cents at the end of December. With everything that is currently happening with XRP, the researchers and analysts have forecasted a huge price surge for XRP very soon. The one major thing holding back the crypto is its fight with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The recent deposition for Hinman is going to prove to be a huge win for Ripple, and it is possible that it might end the lawsuit. Regarding this victory, Johnny Deaton tweeted that, "Make no mistake about this ruling, it is not a small victory. It is a significant victory that is on the same level as the victory related to the judge ordering the production of internal memorandum regarding BTC, ETH and XRP. This is not a small success and positive result, and it will mean the real victory for Ripple. It is a chance for Ripple to win the lawsuit by asking the right and proper questions." William H. Hinman, a former director of the Securities and Exchange Commission of Corporate Finance, has publicly expressed and specified that Ethereum, as well as Bitcoin, are not securities. There is so much proof and evidence that says that Ethereum is not a security, and as Ripple and Ethereum are very much the same, so Ripple can obviously win this case. XRP is about to be relisted. The asset is reported to be relisted on one of the leading exchanges, Coinbase. If that rumor goes true, in that case, a huge number of the exchanges may also follow Coinbase in relisting XRP. Other exchanges involve Binance United States, OKCoin, Kraken, Blockchain.com and Bittrex. This is one of the most optimistic and hopeful indicators, as the delisting of XRP from Coinbase has hampered the price to a very large extent. There is only a very short amount of time. The value of XRP will surge in some of the following days. It might even reach a 3-digit value of $100 sooner than you can imagine. When it comes to the price, XRP is facing a lot of pessimistic and negative news, especially since its slide has been so drastic in the past 2 months. Some people feel and assume that it won't ever recover and retrieve, at least anytime soon. But if we do not keep in mind and take into account what is going on with the XRP and how this will extend and increase the value of XRP, still there are chances and possibilities that XRP will get back to normal again. If Bitcoin or Ethereum recover, there is a pretty good reason to believe that XRP will recover and retrieve as well. This is seen every time these cryptos move up, and XRP does as well, and the other way around. As stated by the experts of the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations, it is suspected that this trend will proceed and continue for quite some time in the future. If Bitcoin and Ethereum tokens have bottomed out, there is likely a very similar turnaround waiting for XRP. So, the best advice at this moment is to not lose hope, at least now that it looks like the cryptos have reached a peak. Concerns and apprehension have arisen about how certain insiders have been selling their XRP currency. For example, Jed McCaleb has sold more than 100 million XRP tokens since the beginning of the month July. He is Ripple's former chief risk officer or CRO, and he is still receiving payments for Ripple, which he straight away sells. That puts selling pressure on the cryptocurrency. Nonetheless, looking on the brighter side, 2 Japanese firms have turned to Ripple to power their remittance platforms. This is exactly the kind of sign-up that will make XRP a lot more popular as a cryptocurrency. Even though it involves Ripple the company, not XRP the cryptocurrency. As the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit got closer to a main event, Finance Feed turned to the trading industry to find out their thoughts on the matter. A lot of different groups have a lot of different perspectives about the same issue. For regulators it is about enforcing the law, for example, for blockchain companies it is about regulatory clarity, for investors it is about the price of the asset, for intermediaries, such as brokers, it is about being able to offer the best possible trading experience. Natalia Zaharova, head of sales of FX Open, informed Finance Feed about how differently the XRP has traded since the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit. We have seen a very sharp increase in trading volumes related to the increase in volatility. There was and still is a lot of interest both from institutional investors that are looking to hedge their positions and retail traders that are willing to benefit from the sharp market movements. Natalia Zaharova stated that the XRP holders do not benefit directly from the performance of Ripple Labs, and the market value of XRP does not correlate directly with the profitability of Ripple Labs. When asked on how the lawsuit will play out, it is difficult to say, but it is not clear if the markets actually care about it. It looks like they just want this case settled. You already know about the great cyber attack that is coming. The Guardian has also reported about that attack. As stated, and maintained by the media group, the leak uncovers global abuse of cyber surveillance weapons. The investigation by The Guardian and 16 other media organizations suggests widespread and continuing abuse of the NSO's hacking spyware, Pegasus, which the company insists is only intended for the use against criminals and terrorists. The leak contains a list of more than 50,000 phone numbers that it is assumed have been identified as those of people of interest by clients of NSO since 2016. The phone numbers that were selected, possibly ahead of a surveillance attack, span more than 45 countries across 4 continents. There are more than 1,000 numbers in some European countries that the analysts and researchers indicated were selected by NSO clients. The news of the cyber attack has been in regulation for a very long time. The World Economic Forum has also been preparing for this. After the COVID-19 pandemic, the world is preparing for something really big, and it is coming soon. As stated by the World Economic Forum, the COVID-19 pandemic has shaken our economics and societies to the core and shown us how vulnerable we actually are to biological threats. In the digital world, similar risks are being overlooked. At this moment, a cyber attack with COVID-like characteristics could spread faster and further than any biological virus. Luckily, at least until now, cyber attacks have not impacted our health the way pandemics have. But, the economic damages and therefore the impact they have on our daily lives have been equal. The World Economic Forum has also given the solution to this threat, as the only way to stop the exponential propagation of a COVID-like cyber threat is to fully disconnect the millions of vulnerable devices from one another and from the internet, and all of this in a matter of days. Just one single day without the internet will cost their economies more than $50 billion. And that is before considering economic and societal damages, should these devices be linked to essential services, such as transport or maybe healthcare. As digital realm increasingly merges with our physical world, the ripple effects of cyber attacks on our safety just keep on expanding and at a faster pace than what we are prepared for. COVID-19 was an anticipated risk, so is the digital equivalent. Let's be better prepared for that one. Now is the real and the right time. Thank you guys for watching till the end of the video. We want to hear from you. Comment if you want more content like this one. We are going to continue the research, so you don't have to. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.